The way you put it out on the floor, I wanna come and just give you my ring, give you my ring. I wanna give a round of applause. I like the way you wanna rule like a king. She better than bar, she phenomenal, she motivates, she elevates.
Hair which I'm going to be using is gold, and it's super. I'm using the style Bohemian Curls. I think the name is Wendy. Again, I'm going to be using thread, needle, and my wig cap. I took the liberty of sewing the lace on the wig cap off camera. Right now, I'm just going to wear the wig cap on the mannequin head, and then I'm going to draw where I want my pattern to be. As you can see, the hair is good. It's a little bit tangle free. I'm just going to start sewing the hair from the ear to the other ear of the mannequin head. As with all my hair videos, I use the same technique in sewing. I sew and then I use another double loop to secure the weave down in place. So I'm going to be using one track. I don't know how to explain this, but I'm not going to double the tracks. I'm just going to use one track for now. So I'm going to go ahead and continue sewing down the hair. At this point, I doubled the tracks because it was at the middle, so I just decided to double the tracks. For this video, I'm using the flip over method to sew my waist down. So you're just going to keep sewing, and when you reach the end, instead of cutting it, you're just going to sew down more securely, like sew the double loop twice, and then you're just going to flip the hair over, and then you continue the process. To join two wefts when they break, you're just going to sew it down, double sew it, and then you're just going to continue as you've been doing with the other tracks, or wefts rather. So you're going to keep sewing until you reach the front part where the lace is, and then you're going to go back to using one track or one weft, and then you're going to sew it down very closely together. You're doing this so that it lays flat on your head, it doesn't come out as bulky. You're just going to take the second weft and sew it down again. So you're going to repeat this process for all of the other parts and then come back again. At this point, you're just going to use your knit picker and to continue doing this part. You're going to crochet your hair in tiny pieces. You're going to pick very little strands of hair and then you're just going to crochet them. Well, I did make a mistake because it looked messy at the end. So if you want to avoid that messy look, you can just pull more strands of hair, or don't even separate the hair at all, just use the hair as it comes curly. I'm just going to continue doing this till I get to the end and then do the other side, and then we are finished with the wig. So here I am with my wig cap and I'm about to wear my wig. So this is how the wig looks. I really do not want to cut the hair, so I just think I'm going to go with the messy look. I'm going to run my fingers through so the curls open up more. And then yeah guys, I think this is a look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video.